Bon. So welcome back to my beauty channel, Bon's Beauty. So today we're going to be creating a fall look. I'm actually really excited to be showing you this look just because usually I just go in with a simple pink tone makeup look, but today I'm going to be showing you a different look. I've learned how, or try to attempt to learn how to do a cut crease and some freckles. I have been learning off YouTube and Instagram gurus for a little while now, so I'm a little bit more confident on doing it, and I'm actually really excited to be showing you this look. If you don't have anything nice to say about this video, or you don't like the way that I'm doing my makeup, you can go ahead and click that exit button right now. Exit, you know what I mean? But if you want to see this look, just continue watching. The first step is the primer. The primer we're going to be using is the poreless face primer, and we're going to just be putting that a little bit on. Hold on, let me focus here. That's probably a lot. But okay. Oh, this feels really nice on my skin. It feels so smooth. What in the world is this stuff? So smooth. I love the texture of it. It makes me feel like it's a baby's bum. Anyways, for the foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my 290 Fenty Beauty Pro Filler Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face and my neck. So I'm gonna go in and use the Anastasia pomade in the shade Ebony. So it's a little bit dried out in the middle there, but usually I am gonna go in with my Farsali. I am really bad at names, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go in with the Rose Gold 24 karat infused beauty oil, and honestly, I've tried this a couple times. It does make my face a little oily. A lot of people say you should apply it before your foundation, but for me, my face is already oily, so I don't think I should, but I will probably use it to help me blend my products. I just dropped a little bit of a beauty oil into my eyebrow product. I'm just gonna go in with the Sephora angled brush and just mix that in. And I'm gonna go in and put that on my eyebrows. Alright, so the next step I'm going to be using is my concealer and my contour. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. This is actually very hard to blend out, and same thing, I'm going to be using the beauty oil, these colors. I'm going to go ahead and use the pointed foundation brush in the Real Technique. I'm actually going to show you so it actually glides on a little bit smoother. Put that all over here. So I'm actually going to be using this random sponge I bought from Joe. I don't have a beauty blender right now, so I'm just going to use what I got and just blend that all out. Oh, by the way, it's dry. I don't know, for me, when I use it, it's wet, I feel like it just smudges all my makeup. This one, it actually doesn't absorb much of my product. My mom told me to always wet it, but whatever. Alright, now that we have that all blended out, my face is a little bit oily, so I'm going to be setting the contour and the concealer part with my Shade Light Contour Kit, Shade Plus Light Contour Kit. And I'm just going to go ahead and literally, I'm going to go ahead with this shade right here. This is called Shadow Play. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Sombre. So this one right here and these ones, just a little flick. I'm going to go ahead and use the middle shade and actually blend the darker ends out with this, because you don't want those harsh lines so much, so you're going to go blending upwards. And same thing, using the middle color, I'm going to go ahead and blend it even more downwards, right in my temple area and up and down. now that we have that all in there, we're gonna go ahead and use a different brush and just blend it because it's too harsh. And we're actually gonna go in and use the same beauty blender, the shade Lyric, and under here. So it's kind of like setting it, and then we're gonna go ahead and use a bigger brush. I don't care what kind, as long as it brushes it all away. So on camera it looks really nice, but I think in person, if you really look up close, it looks a little funny. But that's okay. Now we're gonna go in and do the eyeshadow. But first I'm gonna be priming my eyeshadow again with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filler Amplifying Eye Primer. I actually really love this one again. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my eyelids. And again, I'm just using my ring finger and just tapping it in. I don't like to smudge it and rub it in. I like to tap it in. And I just wait until all of it dries. You don't want to apply eyeshadow when the eye primer is wet. I'll be doing it on the eye at a time, and then at the end of my time I'm going to go ahead and do it all at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession. This is the eyeshadows. Look at this beautiful palette. I'm going to go ahead and use this color and then apply that all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to be using the lighter orange. I'm going to be applying that a little bit on right here. And we're going to apply that. Same brush, and we're going to apply that right here. We're going to go in and use the darker shade right here, and we're going to apply that right here. And then we're going to go bring the dark one downward. Use a blending brush here. We're going to go ahead and blend that all in here. So now we're gonna go in and use this yellow one again. Go ahead with the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream, and I'm gonna go apply that to my eyelids. And then you look up, and that's how I know how far to go. And we're gonna stop midway right here, and just slowly blend it outwards. That was a little bit intense. This is my first time doing a cut crease, and oh, it's okay. I have no problem with it. Okay, so now that I have that cut crease in there, why does it feel sticky? I don't feel like it's a cut crease anymore. It's not as clean. I don't know what happened. Someone help me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color right here. And same thing. Look at how crazy that looks, right? This right here, and we're just gonna blend that in. Alright, so now that I have this eye done, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully do the same thing on this side. Yeah, it's pretty intense, hey? So this eyeliner is from Maybelline. This is called the Curvitude Liner, and I haven't tried it before, but let's try it. So I really don't like it. Honestly, it doesn't glide easily. It just ruined my eye look, but I'm gonna work with it. When I go do the other eye, yep, so far this is garbage. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. It's garbage. Sorry guys. Sorry Maybelline. This is see, I can't even close it. It's so hard to close. See? You know, it's trash. Here's I put eyelash extensions, false eyelashes. I normally put them on right in the beginning right here. I don't like them too close because when I close it hurts. But yeah, I put them right here usually, and then I'll line them up to my lash line, and then you want to make sure you cut them because you don't want to look like you're sad. So I'll cut it where my normal eyelashes end right here. So just about that much. I'll grab it, and then where I'm touching right there is how much I'm going to be cutting off. So I'm going to go ahead with the Duo Vitamins, and it says like the dark glue. I don't like using clear. So what you're going to do is literally put this on. Actually, I like using the brush better, just because you have the same consistency all over, whereas if you have the tube, it sucks. Like you have to squeeze it out, use tweezers, blah blah blah, and this just leaves a nice film. You only need a little bit, because if you put too much, it takes longer to dry. So I usually save these boxes and put them in my purse and save them just in case at the end of the night I want to take off my eyelashes. So yeah, that is that. Now my eyes are done. I am gonna go ahead and do my freckled look. So far I like to use the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal in the shade Brunette. And I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Color Liquid Eyeliner. I believe this is like a brown color. Yeah, it's like a brown color. And some dots I'm going to leave light, and some dots I'm going to leave darker, and yeah. So just watch and learn. There's no right way to put freckles on, and then this comes out. Oh, see, and if you just smudge it up, it can't be perfect, you know. Does people have perfect freckles? No, they don't. So go ahead and just apply that all over. Sometimes I gotta go a little harder. And then I go in, and on the outside I'll apply that darker one, like normally on the outside right here. Some are going to be dark, and just like only a few, and just tap. Oh, because you know some are darker. You gotta tap it before it dries. Like look, I forgot to tap it. Now it's like dry already. And then tap. So it doesn't look too intense and dark. And then tap. Damn, I look cute! Oh my god, my battery is dying. Okay, anyways, the last part, seriously, this is the last part. So, oh, I forgot to highlight. But anyways, so I'm gonna go in with the Bite Beauty multi-stick in the shade Honey Wheat, and we're gonna go in and like this. The highlight I'm gonna be using the Jelly Bean Vasali. I go in and go like this. And just put that right here. Just only right in here. On my nose. And on my lip here. Alright guys, so my makeup is done. I'm going to be showing you my outfit. And, well, it's not really an outfit, but yeah. This is my favorite fall drink. This is the pumpkin spice latte. This is the instant one. So I paired it with this and a choker. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this really quick. My battery's about to die. Anyway, so this is the ending. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me that you guys made it this far. If you like this look, go ahead and like that like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to my beauty channel, Bond's Beauty, or my vlog channel, Bond's Vlog, go ahead and subscribe to those as well. I'll leave the link below. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Love you. Bye!